السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning, grade 6. I miss you all. Here is Mr. WESSAM WAGIEH, your teacher for English language. Today, we will begin with Unit 6, Lesson 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin with the new vocabs. Listen to me. Concert, bass, music room, window, heavy, behind, box, what, sure, get ready for, look out, go on, by the window, by myself, over there. And here are some verbs. Let's begin with the regular verbs. Clean up, cleaned up, move, moved, lifted, help, helped. And for the irregular verbs, get ready, got ready, put, take, talk, do, did. And now we will have the text with each other. So listen to me, please. Hi, Kareem. What are you doing? I'm helping Mr. Khalid clean up the music room. He's getting ready for the concert. Can I help you? Sure. You can move the bass. Put it over there by the window. Oh, I can't lift it by myself. It's so heavy. Here, I'll take it. Look out! There is a box behind you. Ah, what's going on in here? We are cleaning up. تعالوا دلوقتي نشوف بعض اللانجوج نوتس اللي موجودة عندنا، وهنبدأ بأول نقطة موجودة عندنا وهي كلمة help. كلمة help, it's a verb. It can be followed by the infinitive, and sometimes it can be followed by to the plus infinitive. help ممكن يجي بعدها الفعل في المصدر أو to زائد المصدر. And also we can use the word help as a noun. So let's have examples. I am helping him carry the box. I am helping him to carry the box. Help here in both examples is the verb. So let's talk about it as a noun. Do you want any help? Do you want any help? هننتقل لنقطة تانية وهي كلمة by. كلمة by معناها بواسطة، وكلمة by ممكن أخدها بمعنى بجوار، كما إنه يمكن استخدامها مع reflexive pronouns by myself. Example: the ball is by the door. Another example: he goes to school by car. And with the reflexive pronouns, I did the homework by myself. نقطة تانية وهي كلمة left. كلمة left L-I-F-T بمعنى يرفع وبمعنى أسانسير أو مصعد. أما كلمة left L-E-F-T فهي بمعنى يسار. Examples: Fatma can't lift the bag. Another example: the library is on the left. نقطة تانية وهي كلمة so. So نجيب بعدها صفة يبقى بمعنى جدا. So heavy, so difficult, so easy, so hard. Example: the bass is so heavy, I can't move it. النقطة اللي بعد كده وهي كلمة كان. كان بمعنى يستطيع، وكان بتيجي مع كل ضمائر الفاعل. can followed by the infinitive. If we want to get the negative form out of can, it must be can't. And also it comes with all the subject pronouns, and it's followed by the infinitive as well. Let's have an example. I can help you. He can't lift the box. ودلوقتي هنحل بعض الاكسرسايزز على lesson 1. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. Number 1. You can space the base and put it by the window. You can move the base and put it by the window. Number 2. Space out. There is a bee behind you. Look out. There is a bee behind you. Number 3. Pupils can sing in the school space. Pupils can sing in the school concert. Number 4. Can I space you? Sure. Can I help you? Number 5. I can't move the box. It's so space. I can't move the box. It's so heavy. Number 6. There is a box space you. There is a box behind you. Number 7. I am helping Mr. Tariq space up the sports room. I am helping Mr. Tariq clean up the sports room. Number 8. What's going space in here? What's going on in here? He is ready for the concert. He is getting ready for the concert. Another kind of questions which is circle the odd one and replace it with the correct one. School, zoo, heavy, bank. هنشيل heavy ونحط home. Talk, got, clean, dead. هنشيل clean ونحط مكانها cleaned. What, where, why, window. هنشيل window ونحط مكانها who. WHO. Left, teacher, put, get. هنشيل teacher ونحط مكانها go. Good, heavy, base, nice. هنشيل base ونحط short. وبكده نبقى انتهينا من الاكسرسايز بتاعت lesson 1. تعالوا بينا نطلع على lesson 2. Musical instruments: tuba, flute, cymbals, drums, xylophone, electric keyboard, harp, cello, recorder, trumpet. Stomach ache. Together. How many? Practice makes perfect. Message. Quiet. Have a stomach ache. Have dinner. Play the violin. Take a message. هننتقل للverbs. تعال اما نشوف regular verbs at first. Play, played. Like, liked. Practice, practiced. بالنسبة للirregular verbs: have, had. take, took. وبعد ما خلصنا النيو vocabs والverbs تعال اما نشوف بعض language notes اللي موجودة عندنا. زي أول نقطة هتقابلنا وهي like. Like can be followed by verb plus ing or to plus infinitive. I like playing the piano, or I like to play the piano. النقطة اللي بعد كده وهي كلمة how many. How many نسأل بيها عن countable nouns, and it must be followed by a plural noun. It must be followed by a plural noun. How many bottles of water did you have? How many bottles of water did you have? 3 bottles. 3 bottles. Or I had 3 bottles of water. وننتقل بعد كده إلى الإكسرسايز اللي موجودة على lesson 2. Circle the odd one and replace it with the correct one. Play, eat, listen, xylophone. هنشيل xylophone ونحط go. روان، فاطمة، أحمد، بسمة. هنشيل أحمد ونحط نهى. trumpet, violin, harp, room. هنشيل room ونحط xylophone. practice, talk, have, like. هنشيل talk نحط مكانها take. piano, flute, box, bass. هنشيل box ونحط مكانه harp. ننتقل على نوع تاني من الأسئلة وهو choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. Number 1. I like space the flute. I like playing the flute. Number 2. She can blow the flute. Number 3. Tamer space the cello every week. Tamer plays the cello every week. Number 4. How many space of water do you want? How many bottles of water do you want? Number 5. Noha likes playing the violin, but she doesn't space enough. Noha likes playing the violin, but she doesn't practice enough. Number 6. Last year, she spaced the flute well. Last year, she played the flute well. Number 7. He spaced the tuba yesterday. He played the tuba yesterday. Number 8. I like music, so I play space every day. I like music, so I play the drums every day. وبكده نبقى انتهينا من الاكسرسايز اللي على listen 2. يلا بينا نروح على lesson 3 ونشوف الجرامر اللي موجود عندنا. في البداية هنتعرف على بعض الصفات والأحوال. good, well. bad, badly. quiet, quietly. loud, loudly. quick, quickly. slow, slowly. happy, happily. sad, sadly. soft, softly. هنبدأ في الأول بالتعرف على الصفات adjectives. الصفات تصف أسماء وتأتي إما قبل الاسم أو تأتي بعد verb to be. Adjectives describes nouns and it comes before the noun or after verb to be if we use it as a main verb. Example: the old man helped me. Amir is old. بعد ما اتكلمنا عن الصفات تعال ما نشوف الأحوال. الأحوال أو الظروف هي تصف أفعال ويأتي بعد الفعل. Example: Hani is happy. Happy here is an adjective because it describes Hani. Second example: Hani smiled happily. Happily here is an adverb because it described the verb smile. ونبدأ مع بعض نتعرف على أشكال الحال. الحال هو عبارة عن صفة مضاف إليها ly. Example: sad, sadly. Quiet, quietly. If the adjective ends with Y and before the Y there is a consonant, we have to delete the Y and add ILY, like happy, happily, easy, easily. And if the adjective ends with L, we have to add ly too, like beautiful, beautifully, careful, carefully. And here are some irregular adverbs, which are the same in adjectives and adverbs, like hard, hard, late, late, fast, fast. Yusuf is fast. Fast here is an adjective because it describes Yusuf. And Yusuf runs fast. Fast in the second example is an adverb because it describes the verb run. We have another kind of adverbs which aren't the same like the adjectives, like good and well. It's a irregular one. Example: Ali is a good boy. Ali is a good boy. He plays the piano well. Good is an adjective. Why? Because it comes before the noun and it describes the boy or Ali. But in the second part, he plays the piano well. Well here is an adverb because it describes the verb play. هناك أمثلة أخرى للتوضيح. Other examples: he plays the drums loudly. She plays the flute quietly. They play the harp sadly. After we finish these examples, let's talk about how to ask a question about the adverbs. If we wanted to ask about the adverbs, we have to use the word how. But actually, if the sentence is in the past simple, we have to put did after how, then the subject, then the infinitive of the main verb. Let's have an example. How did Hoda talk to her teachers? Hoda talked to her teachers quietly. How did they play the harp? They played the harp loudly. How did he walk to school? He walked to school quickly. وبكده نكون انتهينا من الجرامر اللي موجود في lesson 3. Let's have some exercises about this lesson. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, he plays the drums loudly. Number 2, Hoda played the piano quickly. Number 3, they played the trumpet yesterday. They played the trumpet sadly yesterday. He plays the harp well. Number 5, did she play the cello slowly? How did she play the cello? Number 6, he played the recorder softly. Number 7, Hisham is a pupil. Hisham is a good pupil. Number 8, how he play the xylophone. He played it happily. How did he play the xylophone? He played it happily. Another kind of questions is circle the odd one and replace it with the correct one. Slowly, happily, loudly, quiet. هنشيل quiet ونحط quietly. Cello, cymbals, drums, dinner. هنشيل dinner نحط مكانها xylophone. sad, loud, harp, soft. هنشيل harp نحط مكانها good. أحمد slowly. هاني طارق. هنشيل slowly ونحط كمال. what, how, will, when. هنشيل will ونحط where. وبكده نبقى انتهينا من الاكسرسايز اللي موجود على الدرس الثالث. أتمنى أن أشوفكم على خير في الفيديو القادم. Goodbye for now and see you soon.